Welcome to my workshop. This used to be my living room. So right here we got Vaporeon. This girl took me 8 rolls of filaments. Took me about 1 month to finish it, but that's because back then I used to have 2 printers only. And so right here is Sylveon. This took me about I think 6 to 5 rolls to finish her. I got my Charmander up here, was done like my latest video, and this took me about I think 5 rolls actually. Yeah, 5 rolls to finish him. This is the Solval SV06 Plus. This is one of my first 3D printer, and I loved it so much that I decided to buy 3. So last time you guys saw my studio, I had 2 3D printers. Now I got 3. I do want to get another one here, but I'm kind of broke now, so I'm gonna have to wait for a bit. So I also got like some stuff here too. I got more filaments that I need for my next project. This is actually gonna be a fun project, and I'm probably gonna be finished this in like 2 more weeks. So I'm excited to show you guys what I'm making. I got like parts of his body here and parts of his body up there. They're all like they're everywhere. So like, and these 3 printers have been working non-stop. So I can't wait to show you guys how they look. Hopefully it's not too blurry for you guys. This is where I like to do my video editing of all of my stuff, and like also emails. Some of my paint stuff here is also. Let me give you guys a whole look of my living room. So this is my whole living room. Well, basically not my living room. This is my whole workshop. So this carpet right here, I think the last time I shown it was like 6 months ago. I hanged it up on the wall. My girlfriend actually made this from carpet tufting. Some of the most important stuff to buy is air purifier. You're definitely gonna need an air purifier. You gotta have pliers. That's like essential, because you know you're gonna have a lot of things to break, like supports, and sometimes you have to cut things. A bunch of paintbrush if you guys like painting, or you can get like airbrush. I haven't used my airbrush in a while. I actually hid it away in a complete darkness. You know, because I realized how hard it was. When I first saw it, I was like, wow, that's kind of cool, I want to try. And then I tried it and I was like terrible at it. So yeah, I might, the brand I usually buy is Overture, but I found some really cheap one on AliExpress. It was like 10 for like 58 to 60 bucks. And surprisingly, I bought 3 of these for like almost like 40 bucks. So it's a good deal if I buy it online from AliExpress. I'm gonna show you this thing. So I bought this a while ago and I hate it. It's the worst thing I ever bought. Because you know why? Because I got something better. Let me show you guys. This thing is a monster. Yo, like, it's so loud. Let me show you guys, hold on. All right, so let me show you the difference, ready? All right, so this is as loud as it gets. You can tell you can hear the power, right? This is the highest setting, all right? Betsy. Oh. So you guys can tell the difference between the sound, right? It's freaking crazy. This thing, compared to this, oh, this is way better.
So much better.
This is maybe good for my my toenails. So this right here, I just bought this recently, and it's been a blast. This right here is such a cool thing to have. I did record myself using it. Oh, there we go. It's turning red. I think you guys can see it. Oh, fuck, I fucked up. Oh, there we go. Oh, I kind of... shit. And I was like trying to record myself learning it. And I don't know, I kind of messed up a lot. The only thing I don't like about it is that I have to cut the anchor off. Another thing I learned how to use is melting filament plastic into the seams. Oh, let me show you guys another purchase that I made that has been very useful in the workshop, man. This thing, yeah, it's just a vacuum it's just a vacuum. It's just a vacuum. It's a workshop vacuum. It's amazing. If anyone is interested in learning how to 3D print, I just want to let you know you can get into this very easily. If you guys want to learn how I make this stuff, you can actually watch this video here. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next time.